Hi everyone, in this video you will learn about how to measure the mid-arm circumference. What is mid-arm circumference? The distance around the midpoint of the upper arm measured in centimeters. The mid-arm circumference is measured in the upper arm of a person. The midpoint is taken in the upper arm and then around that point the size of that area is measured. And the measurement is taken in centimeters and sometimes the measurements are also taken in millimeters. The need to measure mid-arm circumference. Mid-arm circumference measurement is simple and non-invasive measurement which uses only the physical characteristics to assess health and nutritional status. As it is not a diagnostic tool, but it will assess the nutritional status in infants and children, as they will identify if the children is malnourished or adequately nourished. And in adults and healthy individuals, it will monitor their muscle gain, and it can be a useful tool to progress their muscle building plans. And they can monitor their fitness. To measure the mid-arm circumference, measuring tapes are required. Measuring tape is different for children and is different for adults. In case of children, according to WHO guidelines, as you can see here, this tape has different markings. The red one which indicates danger, that below this red it has the values of 11.5 centimeter which indicates danger and which means that the child and the infant is malnourished. The yellow is 11.5 to 12.5 centimeter and which indicates the borderline, while to 13 and above it indicates that the child is normal and is adequately nourished. While in case of adults, the markings are different, as according to WHO growth standards, the red one is marked up to 21 centimeter and they indicates that the person is malnourished, while the yellow one is the borderline, that is 21 to 23, and then above 23 they are green in color. But in case of adults, they indicate these categories are reflected towards their BMI, their body mass index. So for a normal person, these values must range between 23 to 27. And above 27, if the values comes for the adults, it means that that adult is falling toward the obesity. Now let's start the procedure for how to take accurate measurements of a person. First of all, wash the hands to avoid any type of contamination to the person, because we are going to handle multiple persons. So to avoid any transfer of infection or contamination, the washing hands is necessary. Then second step is make sure that the patient be seated in a comfortable position. Third, now tell the patient to bend the arm to the 90-degree angle. There is a very important point to be noticed here. Always use the same arm for the patient for upcoming other measurements. As these measurements it's better to take these measurements time to time to monitor the nutritional level in infants and children, and for the adults to monitor the fitness and muscle gain. So always use the same arm. The left arm is always recommended to take the midpoint. After bending the arm to 90-degree angle, now locate the midpoint of the upper mid-arm. It is done by keeping the measuring tape from shoulder tip to the elbow tip and then find out the midpoint. Mark the midpoint and then wrap the measuring tape around the marked midpoint. And it must not be wrapped too tight and it must not be wrapped too loose. Now finally take the measurements. The measurement is taken in the square area as the figure that will comes in the square region. That value is noted. Accurate measurements are recorded for the interpretations. The results are interpreted as for infants and children, they have different ranges, and for adults, they have different ranges. In case of infants and children, the values above 13.5 are considered normal, as they are shown on the scale on green color. Above 3.5 centimeter, it means that the child or the infant is adequately nourished and they are in good health. So they are the normal values. Below these values, these are the borderline 12.5 to 3.5 centimeter. It indicates there is a risk of malnutrition, and 11 to 12.5 they indicates the risk of malnutrition, and below that 11.5 centimeter that are red in color, they are dangerously. It means that the infant and children are severely weak, they are severely malnourished, and they need to be properly treated. In case of adults, as the measurements on the scale are different, so the normal values also are different. In case of adults, the normal values are 23 to 27 centimeter on the scale. If values come in between this range, they are considered normal. Normal mid-arm circumference also reflects the normal BMI of a person. In case of adults, the mid-arm circumference can also indicate or identify the body mass index, the BMI of a person. So the values that falls below 23 range, they are considered the underweight, and the values that fall above the 27 centimeter in case of adults, they are considered overweight. As shown here in the table, there are the values for the man and the woman for mid-upper arm circumference, as this mid-arm circumference is taken from the upper arm, so that's why they are also known as MUAC test sometimes as mid-upper arm circumference, and they are also taken in centimeters, and I already explained sometimes they are also taken in millimeters. In case of adults, as the normal values range between 27 to 23, it means that it reflects the normal BMI of a person. If the values falls below 23, like 22 and below 23, it means that the person is underweight. It reflects the BMI as 17 kg per meter square and 18 kg per meter square. The person is considered the underweight. If the mid-arm circumference is above 27 centimeter, like above 28 centimeter, then the person falls in overweight category of BMI. And if the mid-arm circumference is above 30 centimeter, then the person BMI falls in the obese category. Mid-arm circumference is also highly recommended to assess the nutritional status of a pregnant woman. The values less than 24 centimeter indicates the acute malnutrition in these women. The mid-arm circumference is highly recommended to assess the nutritional status and health of infants and children. Here are given the cutoff ranges for the boys and girls of infants and children of different months. At 6 to 11 months, the infant, the mid-arm circumference must range between 9.8 to 14.6 centimeter. Similarly, the other months are also given different ranges. So these are the ranges below which indicates the infant and children are malnourished. Thank you for watching and keep watching other videos.